A filament bulb 500 watts and 100 volt is to be used in a 230 volts main supply. When a resistance R is connected in series, it works perfectly and the bulb consumes 500 watts. What is the value of R? We need to calculate the value of the resistance R connected in series with the filament bulb. Given the power of bulb P is equal to 500 watts and voltage across the bulb V bulb is equal to 100 volts and the main supply voltage V total is equal to 230 volts. Let us calculate the resistance of the bulb using the formula for power. Using the formula for power, we have P is equal to V squared by R. Here we need to calculate R of bulb, which is equal to V square bulb by P. Substituting the values, we get V square bulb is nothing but 100 square divided by P is 500, which is equal to 10,000 by 500. Here 5 ones are 5 twos are, which is equal to 20 ohms. Let us next calculate the current through the bulb, and it is given by I is equal to P by V. Here P is nothing but 500 divided by V is 100, which is equal to 5 amps. Let's find the total resistance of the circuit using Ohm's law for the voltage. We have V total is equal to I into R total. Substituting the values, we get 230 is equal to 5 into R total, which implies R total is equal to 230 divided by 5, which is nothing but 46 ohms. Next, we need to find the series resistance, and it is given by the formula R total is equal to R bulb plus R. We have R total, which is nothing but 46, is equal to R bulb, which is nothing but 20 plus an unknown resistance R, which implies R is equal to 46 minus 20, which is 26 ohms. So the right answer is option A.